very early doors in terms of cloud adoption in Canada, with the cloud providers only being here a couple of years. It's good to hear everybody saying that they see it as a people, tools, and process problem. I wasn't expecting that. So that's how we see it as well. We don't think it's a technology problem in 2018. So to hear them saying that, that's really good. I think they also see kind of a challenge with velocity or speed, and think it comes at the cost of stability and security. And I see it another way. I think change is actually a way of keeping you more secure, because the threat landscape is evolving so much that you have to be able to change to stay secure. So sitting and doing nothing is actually a risky position. I think that people would naturally apply the same lens that they have today on these providers. So I have a traditional outsourcing agreement, and it has certain boundaries, and that's kind of how I judge the performance and the SLA of my IT services. Really, the three major hyperscale providers are unique. They're totally different, and they're doing IT at a scale that we haven't seen, and that's why they get to be hyperscale. And I think it's more just demystifying and getting to understand them, how they do business and how they interact with you. So it's a time-based thing, and I think an organization will eventually get more comfortable with the cloud provider being an IT partner, because that's essentially what it is. I mean, it's a shared responsibility model. Yes, you can't see under the covers past a certain point, but similarly, they're expecting you to be responsible for what's built on top of their platform. So in order to get those compliance certifications, it's not what they provide, it's what you provide together. It's the definition of that cloud platform for your business. And so that's what makes it resilient, secure, and scalable for a bank, for example. It's not, you don't just go to Amazon, Google, or Microsoft and ask for a bank-grade platform. You have to build that. You have to understand the platform itself, and you have to design a system on top of that. That is good enough for the bank. Because cloud is a really strong, democratized access of IT now. And I think that's a really important point, is that everyone's now got the same hardware as a bank, if they want it. And so it's the definition of how you leverage that compute to actually make it good for the bank. So that's the shared responsibility model. As the business users understand that they can go faster, as the developers understand that they can deliver to the business requirements quicker, there's a downstream impact, and the organization as a whole has to go faster to meet those requirements. So I think there'll be as the cloud journey progresses at these organizations, they'll see that there's a stark difference in the talent that needs to be at the table.